Let us understand the step-by-step process of performing payment of brokerage in StrategicERP. Navigate to the Payment of Brokerage form under the Sales Management module. The voucher number will be auto-generated upon form selection. Select the date on which the brokerage is to be paid. Select the project name and sub-project name. Select the broker company name. The broker name will be fetched from Channel Partner form under the Leads Management module. If the broker is paid as per the 100% brokerage criteria, you can select the budget code and expense ledger. Under the Payment Entries tab, enter details such as the sale value, installment received, approval amount, brokerage percentage or brokerage amount as applicable. Select the tax code, if applicable. You can enter the tax deduction at source, TDS Higher Education cess if applicable. Save the data so it will be stored in draft stage. Verify the information and get it approved by the concerned authorities. The process of performing payment of brokerage is now complete.